Cassie again. So basically, I'm going to just jump right into it. It's final season. It's the time of year where all the big tests are happening. You're wondering and worrying if you're ever going to graduate or if you're going to go to the next grade. It's just stress season. Anyways, so I'm going to basically help you guys out by letting you know some study hacks to help you guys out when you're studying for some big tests. So yeah, I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's just go right into the video. Okay, so the first thing is basically to write everything down. So you can either take notes during class or just copy all the important things from your textbook or whatever you're studying onto a notebook. And why it's important to do this is because, one, you can shorten down a textbook and you can just remember only the important things. And then the other reason, which is the main point of this hack, is did you know that writing something down once is equal to reading something 7 times? So you're more likely to retain the information if you write something down than if you read it. Okay, so this next thing is super important, and that is to take breaks. Now, I know when I say this, there's going to be some of you guys out there just going to be taking breaks every 5 minutes, taking 15-minute breaks every 5 minutes. So if you do that, you're not going to get anything done. Trust me, I've had that experience. Anyways, so yeah, I suggest taking breaks, 15-minute breaks every 30 to 50 minutes, because that's when you just need to take a break. And because if you keep on working and studying, that's good, but you're gonna get worn out faster. And yeah, so I just suggest you guys take short breaks every 30 to 50 minutes. Okay, so the next one is to color code your notebooks. So yeah, basically just put some Sharpie on the side of your notebook, so when it's in your backpack, then you can just pull it out really quick because you know exactly what you need instead of taking them all out to figure out what you need. Okay, so the next thing I suggest you do is to listen to some classical music while you're studying. So yeah, here are just some ways you can find classical music. You can do it on Spotify, on YouTube, on Pandora, on iTunes, whatever music source you have. Just listen to some classical music or any music pretty much that doesn't have any words, because words distract you and we want to stay focused when we're studying. So yeah, I really suggest classical music. Okay, so this next one is if you're feeling sleepy or really tired while you're studying, a trick is to take a huge deep breath and then hold it for as long as you feel comfortable. Don't not breathe for 3 minutes. But anyways, so yeah, and then just breathe out really slowly, and then yeah, you shouldn't be as tired after that. Okay, so this next hack, even though it's super obvious, it's probably one of the most important hacks that I've told you guys today, and that is to plan ahead. Plan ahead, write in a planner or a journal, or even you can just pull up your notes in your phone or whatever and just write down your routine of what you're going to do to study for whatever test or quiz or whatever you have to study for. So if you study a little bit each time, then you will have barely anything to study the night before the test because you've been studying all week. So yeah, that is a handy tip. Even though it seems like it'll take a lot more time, it really won't, because you're learning it over a long period of time instead of cramming the night before. So yeah. The next thing to do while you're studying is to drink lots of water. If you're dehydrated, and even if you don't know you're dehydrated, you're probably dehydrated. If you're dehydrated, then you won't be able to focus as much. So yeah, you should definitely be drinking a lot of water. This next one, a lot of people don't think about, and that is to make sure you have everything ready before you actually start studying. So if you just sit down and study, that's great, but you might have to get up, make excuses to yourself, just oh, I need a glass of water, or oh, I need a snack, or oh, I need this, I need that. So just make a list or make a mental list in your mind of everything you'll need for your studying night or whatever. Anyways, so yeah, make sure you have water, maybe some healthy snack, and then all your pencils, your erasers, your like textbooks and your notebooks, everything you'll need to study so you don't have to keep on getting up and down and that wastes time. And I mean, if you're cramming, you don't really have any time to waste. So yeah, you should definitely try this idea. Okay, so this next one is basically taking a stuffed animal or a doll or like whatever, and then basically teaching your test or assignment to a stuffed animal or just a member of your family. And yeah, studies have shown that if you teach something, you're more likely to remember it. And those are all the hacks I have for you guys. If you like this video or want more videos like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it to all of your friends and family because that would be awesome sauce. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Cassie. I post DIY and lifestyle videos pretty much every Sunday. So, I mean, you should subscribe down below. And before you leave, you should hit that post notification bell. It kind of looks like that just to let you guys know whenever I post a new video. And yeah, I think that's about it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!